Hey everyone, I'm Will with Jerkyholic, and today we're gonna grill up some lamb chops. So we have racks of lamb, and two of them. We're gonna season them, get them on the grill, get a nice smoke and grill flavor to these, and then sear them until they're perfectly finished. So let's get started.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is make the marinade. We'll put everything into a food processor. You're just gonna whip this up real good so it's nice and ground real small. I already rinsed the lamb chops and dried them off with a paper towel, so now we're just going to get salt and pepper. Make sure you get both sides of the lamb chops. We want that salt and pepper all over. Then we're going to lather that marinade all over, again, on both sides of the lamb chops, and then put them in the fridge for about an hour or two to let that really set into the meat. Then we're going to preheat the smoker to 250. We're going to smoke these for about 45 minutes to an hour until about 125, 130 internal temperature, and then pull them off. And we're going to put these directly on a hot grill. We want to sear it. Make sure that you get a nice crust. Sear both sides of the lamb chops, just 1-2 minutes aside, and then that should bring it up about 5 degrees to a nice medium rare. And just cut these into individual chops and serve. Enjoy.